Hello, my name is Victoria Mireles, and today I'm going to talk about 3 types of chemical reactions. But first, let's talk about what a chemical reaction is. A chemical reaction forms when atoms, ions, or molecules create or break chemical bonds. Let's use an example to help get a clear idea of how a chemical reaction is created. Imagine you're baking a cake. You would need ingredients like eggs, milk, sugar, flour, and oil. Once you mix everything together, you place everything inside the oven. A cake is formed, which is a final product. You aren't able to remove the ingredients that you use once the final product is made. That is an example of a chemical reaction. Reactants were used to create a new substance that can be unchanged or reversed. Now let's describe 3 types of chemical reactions. The first one is called synthesis reaction. That is when a more complex chemical structure is formed. A plus B creates AB. Let's use an actual example for synthesis. Let's say we have C, which is carbon, and then we have O2, which is oxygen. When we add them together, we get CO2, which is carbon dioxide. Next is decomposition reaction, which is when chemical bonds are broken to form a simpler chemical structure. AB creates A plus B. For example, NaCl, which is sodium chloride, then becomes Na, which is sodium, and Cl, which is chlorine. The last one is an exchange reaction. That is when chemical bonds are broken and new bonds are created. AB plus CD creates AD plus CB. Let's say we have HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, plus NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide. That gets switched around and NaCl, which is sodium chloride, plus H2O, which is water, is formed. So now we know 3 types of chemical reactions, which are synthesis, decomposition, and exchange.